Commented on my video and said I should do a tutorial video on how to create a Facebook group and also how to add the badges. It is very easy to create a Facebook group. All you need to do is to have a Facebook and you are free to go. You step by step on how to create a Facebook group. So sit back and relax while I take you on a journey. Go into our Facebook group. So let's click on Facebook. So when you click on our Facebook, so you see these three dash sign. So you are going to click on it. Then you scroll down where you see group, you click on it. So these are all the groups that I've been in, and these are the groups myself have created. So I created a Facebook group on how to monetize your Facebook group. So this is my own page. This is my own Facebook page, and these are others people page that I've created that I've also joined. So let us quickly go to what we are about to do. You click on create a group, then you name your group. Like, what is your group all about? So you name it there. So since my own page is all about how to grow, then I'll name it how to grow on Facebook. Then after that, you can choose the privacy you like. Is it public, private, or anything? So I'm setting mine as private so that people can see, and also people can recommend them. Anyone can see who is in your post and what they post. If you put yours as private, only members can see who is in the group and what they post. So if it's when you invite people to your group, that's only them, they can only see the group for themselves. So I will put my public. Hold on, let me change this. So create group. The group is creating. So the group is already created. You can choose to invite people you like. You can invite anyone. You can invite as auto invite followers. You can invite anyone. But me, since I'm just creating this group as a tutorial, I'm not inviting anyone. You can invite people. So you click on next. Now you can choose an image that you would like to use, whether it's this one or this one, or this one. So anyone you choose to prefer, you can choose. Then you put a description of what your group is all about, of what people can see when they join your group, what they be expecting from you. You do it there, you describe. So I'm not putting description since I'm just doing this as a tutorial. Then you click on next. So you can write something about what your group is all about also, just the same thing as description. Just the same as description. Then click on done. As you all see, our group has been created already. So what we are going to do now is to invite at least 15 people. Facebook will ask you should invite at least 15 people, add the cover photo, show what your group is all about, and also how to add description. You need to add it, and also create a post, like create a this thing that what people are going to expecting from you. So I'm not doing that. To finish your setting up your group, I'm not doing that. So you click on confirm. So what you are about to do now is to also what I'm about to do now is to also go and turn on badges. You set up what your Facebook group is all about. Then you click on manage. You see, when you click on manage, these are the features Facebook is going to show to you. So you see this report content. Your members that report content that are not right, you are going to see treasure. That means Facebook might ask you should take that photo, video or photo down. You need to take it down pending approval. Like now, when your members want to post on your group, when they post on your group, it will not be published. Then you will see treasure that Facebook is trying to tell you that, do you want to approve this post or decline it? You can decline and approve. Moderation alert is when you add as moderator to your group, and the moderator sends you something that you need to be alert of what you are doing. And potential scam, what Facebook mean by this potential spam is when people are trying to do something that they are not meant to do on your group. Yes, they are not meant to do on your group, that they are doing it and they know that it's the wrong thing. And this badge request, this badge request is why members send to this badge request, they want you to accept that badges to that group, so that it will be shown when they comment on that group or when they post. So these are your tools that you will see right here. You can set up admin assist, insight, promote group, community roles, people, activation log, and set schedule posts. So this essay is not saying that I should also teach him how to add badges, not just create the Facebook group. So we click on add features. So these are the badges that you can see. You can add. Let me click on see also, you can see everything. So these are the badges that you can add that are available for you to use now. You can add raise money. Product tagging, looking for players, reels, posts, live video, GIF files, and events, and everything. So other features you can add also for your fans to win badges from you. You can also add buying and selling, like people who are selling their products, they can win a badge for sharing their product to your group. When they are sharing it a lot, they can win a badge from you. Player info, let members see which games others are playing on Facebook. People are playing on your Facebook group and everything, they can win badge for that. Also guidance, they can win badge for that. Games link, fantasy games, and everything. While you see this feature set, you need to set up all this for your fans to win things from you. All these things you need to set up: annual posts, buying and selling, gaming, and things. So when you are done with that, then you are going to click on group settings, the main cocoa. You need to set up your group settings so people can know what your group is all about. Name and description, like I said at the beginning of the video, you need to add description of what your group is all about. Add a cover photo. You can add any cover photo you choose to add. New member intro, you can choose to click on anything, show member your intro, everything. Group affiliation, color you like to push, location, you have to add location, tags, privacy, and all those things. Membership, yes, like the badge I was telling you about. You need to these are the badges I'm talking about. I first asked me how to turn on badges. So you see this admin for members who manage the membership, moderator settings, and post. That is what that badge is for. Moderator, when you give someone the badge as a moderator, that the person has been posting consistently in your group, that's why you can give this person this contributor. For the people who have been winning, that have been posting all the time frequently, they are going to win a badge for contributor. That what this thing are. These are the badges that are the real one. You can choose to turn them off. Yeah, you can choose to turn them off, manage the discussion and every feed. Yeah, and partial approval, everything. You can choose to do that also too. So I think that is all you need to do. I hope this video was very helpful to the person who actually commented on a video and said I should create a Facebook group and also how to add badges. So we have come to the end of this video. Please, if this is your first time coming to this channel, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe for more content. See you on my next video. Bye bye.